Good morning. I'm Jonathan Baker. I'll be your instructor in charge today for this live fire exercise. It'll be taking place at 1771 Highway 471 at 8 o'clock sharp this morning. Fire suppression, live fire. The drill risk management is going to be high due to the live fire exercise. The maximum student to instructor ratio is going to be 3 to 1. Instructor PPE, SCBA, full PPE head to toe, their radio, a light, and a high-vis vest to distinguish them from the students. The PPE for the student is going to be a helmet, their Nomex, their jacket, their pants, their boots, and structural firefighting gloves. They will also be carrying a flashlight, 20-foot piece of webbing, their radio. The technical references going to be used on this live fire exercise are going to be NFPA 1403, NFPA 1500, and NFPA 1584. The hazards and control measures we'll be using for atmospheric hazards are going to be an SCBA and ventilation of the structure. Accountability on this is going to be the buddy system, 2 in, 2 out. And the communications frequencies we'll be using are the training and the Langford primary. In case of an emergency, 3 loud horn blasts on the engine will be the weather event, and everyone will exit the building and move to a safer structure. For a emergency inside the structure, then we're going to have a 4-reel repeated on the radio, and the RIT team will be deployed in to take care of anything inside. The RIT team is going to be Redmond, Johnston, and Lucas, and the ALS standby is going to be Pafford EMS ambulance. Other resources: Battalion Chief Baker, Rehab Officer McKay, Safety Officers McDowell, and we'll also be using 20-minute breaks with hydration between revolutions for rehab. The drill objectives and grading elements for this exercise, if you'll see, we drew on the board. There's going to be a fire in the kitchen and a fire in the bedroom. You will enter from the back. You're going to do a nozzle check. You're also going to check the door for heat, and you will enter from the unhinged side of the door. Make sure you stay on your knees if you can't see the floor, and follow the set pattern that you agreed upon before you enter the structure. Extinguish the fire properly, and then remove any victims utilizing the extremities carry. Before we go to a walkthrough, are there any comments, questions, or concerns? Thank you.